Right, this is the last subtopic, if you like. We're going to look at expanding brackets and then simplifying. So if we have a question or an expression and we are asked to expand the brackets, which just means removing the brackets, what we do is we take everything inside the bracket and multiply it by the number outside. So that would be 2 times A, which is 2A. Then we have 2 times B, 2B. And that's it. That's you remove the brackets. There is nothing to simplify further because there are no like terms. So what happens when there are like terms? Here we have 2 open bracket A plus B plus 3 times A plus C. So the first bracket, we have 2 times A, we have 2 times B, that gives us 2A plus 2B. In this bracket we have 3 times A, 3A, 3 times C, 3C. Now looking at that line, you can see there are 2 like terms. We've got 2 terms with A, 2A plus 3A. And as you know, 2A plus 3A is 5A. Then we simply rewrite 2B plus 3C. There are no other like terms to collect. Let's look at this one. In this one, we've got 3 times x, which is 3x, plus 3 times 2y. Now, 3 times 2 is 6, times y is 6y. Then moving over here, we've got 4 times x, which is 4x. And then we have plus 4 times negative y. Now, a plus times a negative is a negative, so that's going to go there. And then the 4 times y is just 4y. All right. Now, collecting like terms, we've got 3x plus 4x. Then we've got 6y plus 4y. That gives you 7x. And that gives you 10. Oh, I beg your pardon. Minus 4y. Remember? And then 6y take away 4y is 2y. Now you've got to watch out for negatives. And that's a little table to show you how they work. Multiplying 2 positive numbers gives you positive. When you multiply 2 negatives, you get a positive, and a plus times a negative, it gives you a negative. Okay? And finally, let's try this one. We've got 4 times 2p. So 4 times 2 is 8 times p, 8p. Then we've got 4 times negative q. Now, a positive times a negative will be negative. 4 times q is 4q. Then we've got plus 5 times q. So that's going to give us plus 5q. Then we've got a positive 5 times negative p. So a plus times a negative, negative. 5 times p is 5p. We'll just put in the rainbows just so we're complete. Collecting like terms. So there's plus 5q minus 4q. Well, 5q take away 4q is q. And then we've got 8p take away 5p is 3p. Positive 3p. Okay, so now you're hopefully ready to complete the third set of questions.